Hello viewers, welcome back again to another video. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how we can check on the Purge Valve solenoid on this car. Stay tuned. Remove this part. Okay. Now we want to remove this hose. Okay, so the hoses are disconnected, like so. And after that, you grab a hose, something like this, and connect it through here. What we want is, we would like to give some pressure, some air to the purge valve, just to make sure there's no air coming through this side when the engine turns off. And that is good. And the next step to do is to reconnect this hose back, and then we are going to turn on the engine. We're also going to be applying some air again, just to make sure there's an airflow coming from the top to this port right here. Okay, so I've already let the engine warmed up. We are going to do the same test again, apply some air, and we should see, if it's functioning properly, we should see air coming through from this port to this port right here. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Alright guys, so we have already completed the test. We applied some pressure with the engine turned on, and by the looks of it, it is not functioning properly. So that sucks. We have to replace it. If you guys can see in front of you, the RPMs is very low. Means that your purge valve isn't functioning properly. Alright, so I've got the replacement part for it. So let us go ahead and install this part, and we should be able to fix the issue. And the installation is complete. As you guys can see before, we had to remove some of the intake assembly out to access the bracket. It's quite a hassle, but it is doable. So please be patient while replacing this part. Okay.